Westermans here with a small Lincoln or Bode 1VH welding positioner, which is 500 kilos, manual tilt, 3-phase. It has a Carter variable speed, which actually has been locked in position. That can obviously be removed, so it will work on a variable speed. Manual tilt, control box with forwards and reverse, and a foot control. And a fixed speed. On the forwards and on the reverse. If required, this machine could also be fitted with electronic variable speed, straight to the motor with a pendant or on the control box. That will give you variable speed throughout the range, or can be left with a Carter gearbox and variable speed. More details can be found on westermans.com or email welding@westermans.com for prices and details. Thank you for looking.